guys, this is one and only Donkey Man here with some of my friends, but we're playing Watch Dogs, a single player game. I don't want to be lonely. So one of my friends is playing. Yay, first of all. Oh, my friend Dalton is here. Why are you smiling so much? Why are you smiling so much? Okay, I think he's a little bit camera shy. Are you camera shy? Okay, well, the video is only 7 minutes long. You have to know that first. I won't post this in 7 minutes. Anyway, I'm going to add a little bit to it. Oh yeah, I started a Borderlands gameplay, but we all knew I wasn't going to finish that one. So, I'll put a little clip of it at the end of the video. Well, I'll put a clip of it at the end, but I'm not posting it. I'm not going to post the actual gameplay. I'm just going to put a little bit, like 20 seconds of it, at the end of the video. So you can see what I was doing, and it was the funniest part in it. And that video was no funnier, like 0% funny. Didn't have any death dabs in it. You know what that is? When you die, you ride them over just dab. We did it in one of my other videos. It's probably going to be out by the time I post this, or this is going to be out first. I don't know. But the video is going to be called. Well, the video is going to be called "Dab is Love, Dab is Life" because it's fun. Well, chaka chaka laka. Dude, you want to talk? Not really. That's the whole freaking thingy jigger mother stinking thing of the video! So dumb. Yeah, it's kind of a thing. Yeah, it is. Oh my god! Oh my god! You're a murderer. You just like over a person. Hey, you're a murderer.
A murderer?
You just pop a person. Oh god, dude! That's surprising for you. Usually you're not this dark inside. But honestly, I'm dead inside. Well, like, they're dead inside and on the outside now. How do I do that voice? I watched one of my other videos, and it was my first Halo video. Halo 3 ODST funny moments, the first one. And at the start it says, "Hello guys, this is one and only Donkey Winner Man." And I went back to it, and it sounded like I said wiener. Tried to edit that out as much as possible, but I just couldn't, because I was thinking editing. All I can do is like words. I don't know if this is going to be in this video or not. The words. Like editing words. You haven't seen one of my videos? Oh. Okay, yes.
I seem to have lost my banana.
I don't know why that part gets to me so much. Or the part where
It gets to me emotionally and physically.
Gets him emotionally and physically. I said that wrong, but you know, it's still funny, I guess. And my second favorite part where I said, "I am the Apex Predator." And then a little bit later I said, "Predator?" And I had a little bit of editing error on that, and like Apex, and then Predator overlaps it, and Apex is on the screen while Predator was on it, and it just kind of crashed and burned. Dang, we're already at 4 minutes? Dang. That goes that fast.
I gotta do something stupid.
Yeah. Murder. Be a murderer. Kill everybody. Make your car a piece of crap. But, wait, but.
You just sit across the ground like butter.
And when I was saying butt earlier, I was laughing because I said butt. I'm kidding, I wasn't really laughing because I said butt. That was a reference to my first video. And comment if you want this to be gameplay, not gameplay, a series. And if I do get a comment, I'll be so happy. I'll celebrate, make a celebration video. First comment! And then my first comment's not even gonna be what I asked them to say. They're gonna say like, my favorite food is pancakes. And
You know what I said one time?
but
On one of Andy Schrock's videos, I said, I just realized you and Chris Jocelyn eat ice cream out of a kangaroo banana pouch.
no, it was May's pouch.
It's whatever I wanted to be.
I don't know if you can hear us. I don't know if you can hear us at all because we're so freaking far away from the camera. Oh! They're calling! They're calling the police. Oh, we got 30 seconds left, dude. Do something really stupid, like drive off the side of the bridge.
Do it.
Drive off the bridge.
I bet he won't. Oh.
Oh God! Oh God! Oh God! Oh God!
I have to go to the bathroom.
That was so stupid. Okay, 7. Oh God, 7 minutes. Holy crap, dude. Okay, just go drive a car off the side of the bridge real quick and we'll end the video, okay? Because almost all of my videos end with death or happiness. So just like kill yourself. Jump off the bridge! Jump off the bridge. Hi guys, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, dislike, comment, all that good stuff. Except for a dislike, that's not really good. But the Borderlands 2 short will play in just a little bit longer. One and only Donkey Man signing off. 3, 2, 1, bye!
Huh?
I was gonna try to do something.